It's not just a puppet show, and it's not just a musical performance. It's a fully interactive school assembly experience. Hi, my name is Tom Knight, and I bring interactive school assemblies to life that combine music, storytelling, and multimedia. Students aren't just sitting and watching, they're part of the assembly, singing, responding, and helping tell the story. Students see real-life situations and learn how small acts of kindness can make a really big difference. With over 35 years of performing for elementary audiences, I know how to engage large groups while still creating moments that are personal and meaningful. Library Boogie is a high-energy literacy program that gets students moving, laughing, and connecting with books in a whole new way. Upstander explores themes of kindness, empathy, and standing up for others. I also offer a STEM-focused program called Following the Mystery, a dynamic assembly that gets students thinking like scientists. Some schools choose to pair programs like Upstander, Library Boogie, or the STEM Show for different grade levels, so each group gets a program that fits them best. If you're looking for a school assembly that supports literacy, kindness, or STEM, and truly connects with your students, I'd love to bring a program to your school.